PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides professional AC refrigerant services in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania, helping homeowners and businesses maintain efficient and reliable cooling performance. Refrigerant plays a critical role in your air conditioning system's ability to cool your indoor space effectively. Our experienced technicians inspect refrigerant levels, identify leaks, perform necessary repairs, and recharge systems according to manufacturer specifications. Proper refrigerant service helps improve energy efficiency, prevent system strain, and extend the lifespan of your AC unit. Trust PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania for dependable AC refrigerant services that keep your cooling system operating at peak performance throughout the warmest months of the year. Call us today, PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for AC refrigerant services near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. How do I know if my AC system needs refrigerant service? Signs include warm air from vents, longer cooling cycles, ice buildup on coils, and higher energy bills. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania performs detailed inspections to diagnose refrigerant issues and provide effective solutions that restore cooling efficiency and indoor comfort. How often should refrigerant levels be checked? Refrigerant levels should be checked during routine HVAC maintenance or whenever cooling issues arise. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania offers professional inspections and maintenance services to ensure refrigerant levels remain within manufacturer recommended specifications. What is your service office for AC refrigerant services? Glen Mills, Pennsylvania. Our local AC refrigerant services Glen Mills, Pennsylvania office has served Glen Mills, Copson, Chadds Ford, Garnet Valley, Boothwyn, Marcus Hook, Concordville, Kennett Square, Thornton, Chester Township, Crosslands, Village Green, Ogden, Aston Mills, Auburn, Mendenhall, Longwood, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 53 West Baltimore Pike, number 201, Glen Mills, Pennsylvania 19342. Our phone number is 610-424-6273. Visit our website, https://pjmashvats.com/air duct cleaning services Glen Mills/